Hello everyone, in this video we will be studying end of the chapter exercise third and fourth sum. So now here uh, we are going to see end of the chapter exercise sum number third. So consider the points R30, A0 minus 2, M minus 5 minus 2 and P minus 5 2 if they are joined in the same order. Predict. Now in that first one we will see two sides of RAMP that are perpendicular, so that are perpendicular to each other. So which two sides are perpendicular? So now if we see here in the diagram, PM is perpendicular on MA and MA is perpendicular on PM. So these two lines are perpendicular on each other, so that is what we will write here. So PM and MA are perpendicular to each other. So this is our answer. Okay. So now we will see the second sub question. So one side of RAMP means this is R, A, M and P. So one side of RAMP that is parallel to one of the axis. So which one side is parallel to one of the axis? So if we see here, MA, this side, this line MA is parallel to x-axis. So this line is parallel to this axis. So that is what we will write here. MA is parallel to x-axis. This is our answer. Now here we will see the third sub question. So two points that are mirror images of each other in one axis. So which two points are mirror images, they are asking. Mirror images in one of the axis. So if we see here, point P and point M are mirror images on x-axis as they are at equal distances on x-axis. So that is what we will write here. So points P minus phi 2 minus phi 2 and M minus phi comma minus 2 are mirror images, mirror images, mirror images of each other as they are at equal distances on x axis. So this is our answer, guys. So now here we will see question number 4. Plot points z, phi, comma minus 6 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have taken a z point on the Cartesian plane, which is phi, comma minus 6. Okay, construct a right angle triangle. So we have to construct a right angle triangle and we have to name that as IZN. So I have named that as IZN and find the lengths of the three sides. So now we have to first plot this z point. Okay, so this z point I have, as per the coordinates I have taken 5 comma minus 6, and then we have to draw one line towards this axis and one line towards x axis. So I point, we will name this point as I point, and the coordinate will be x is phi and y is 0 because it is on the x-axis. And one line you draw towards the y-axis, and we will name that point as n point, and because this point is on y-axis, x will become 0 and y will become minus 6. So now, and z point they have given in the question. So like this we have made the drawing, and we have constructed a right angle triangle, and it is right angled at on z. So your angle z is equal to 90. We have made a right angle triangle. So as per the question, we have marked this z point on the Cartesian plane, and we have constructed a right angle triangle, and we have named that as IZN. And now what we have to do, we have to find the lengths of the three sides. So now we will find the length of the three sides. So now first what we will do, we will find the length of the side NZ. So we will find the length of the side NZ. Now NZ, you see, we have to leave the same coordinates. So here we have minus 6, here also we have minus 6. So we have to not consider the same coordinates, else we won't be able to find the length of this side. So what we have to do, we have to take the other coordinates like 0 and 5. So here we will say 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5 units. So the length of side NZ is how much? It is 5 units. Now similarly, what we will do, we will find the side of IN. We will find the side of IZ, we will find first. So IZ we will find first. So IZ is now phi, and phi is again, see, phi and phi is same. So 0 and minus 6 we have to take. So 0 minus, and we have minus 6. So minus minus plus, so 0 plus 6 is 6. So this is 6 units. Okay. Now we have to find the side IN. So IN. And to find the side IN, we have to use distance formula. Okay. Distance formula. Now, so the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here first we will write the points. See, I coordinate is 5 comma 0, and n coordinate is 0 comma minus 6. So here the first one will be x1 y1, and this will be x2 y2. You can take this as x2 y2 and this as x1 y1, that is not a problem. So anything can be x1 y1 and anything can be x2 y2. Here I have taken I as x1 y1 and n as x2 y2. Now what we will do is we will integrate these numbers into this formula. Okay. So in is equal to under root under root. So x2 is what? X2 is 0, and minus sign as it is from the formula, and x1 is what? 5 the whole square plus y2 is what? Y2 is minus 6 minus from the formula, and y1 is 0 whole square. So is equal to under root 0 minus 5 is 5. So minus 5 minus 5 is a square plus minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6 whole square. Now minus 5 is a square is 5 5 is the 25 minus minus the plus, minus minus is plus, 6 6 the 36. So here we'll add both these numbers. 25 plus 36 is under root 61. So therefore iron is equal to root 61 volts. So this is our answer. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much guys.